So I'm in Madrid at Huawei's Ultra-Broadband forum, and there's been a lot of really interesting presentations here by various service providers at different stages of their network and strategic development. But I've got four key takeaways to run over shortly, and it's the four S's, and that is skills, simplification, services and sangria. Let's start with the skills. Nearly all of the operators have been talking about to go through their network and business transformation, they need new skills on board, new skills that will enable them to cloudify or virtualize their networks and to be able to write new applications, to be able to develop the APIs they need so that third-party applications and services can come onto their networks. The next S, simplification. This is simplification at the network level. For example, Deutsche Telekom is talking about how its new packet optical network has no OTN in it whatsoever, keeping it very simple. That simplification, of course, has to go all the way from the packet optical core all the way to the edge as much as possible. But that simplification also needs to happen in the back office. So we heard Telecom Italia talking about how it needs to undergo a massive OSS and BSS transformation to make its network management and also its business and billing systems so much more simplified, and that's a real massive job. So we've talked about skills, we've talked about simplification, and then of course there's the services. At the end game, these network operators, these communication service providers need to be able to generate new revenues from services, whether those are services that they've created or built themselves or from third parties. So we've heard today how the development of new cloud and 4K services could bring new revenue streams to service providers, but we've also heard a lot about collaboration, working with OTT players to develop new services, to aggregate video services that consumers really want, and to be able to build APIs to third-party application developers and bring in the skills that are outside of the CSP boundaries. So the development and monetization of services, new services obviously, is very key to the future of telcos and all sorts of service providers. And then the fourth S was sangria. Well, so far, even though I've been 2 days in Madrid, I've actually forgotten to partake of the sangria, but hey, I've still got a few hours left here, so maybe I'll make that 4S before I fly back to London. So here from Madrid at the Ultra Broadband Forum, I'm Ray Lemaitre at Light Reading.